What's going on, everybody? Just want to do a little analysis on the market right now, as I am seeing XRP probably looking like it's going to probably take off. BTC 9K, almost full. BTC hit 9K today. Likely that we test this channel. Let me clear this up for you real quick. So let me just show you what I'm looking at and how I'm trading this market. So I'm currently in a long position from 8,854. And right now on my scalp account, I'm just looking to target probably the top of this trend line right here. It's just a pretty obvious sell point. Most likely our shorts might come in. Now, if we get up here again, there's a chance it could actually just break right up out. I probably will take 50% of my profit in this trade, and I'll leave the other 50% just to ride and see what happens. Now, if we look at XRP, though, that's kind of why I wanted to do this video. XRP has not broken out yet. So let me zoom out. On the right side of the VPVR, it's a great indicator. It's probably one of my favorite indicators when it comes to this trading because you can see where there's a lot more. Like right now, for example, we have a pretty decent sized liquidity gap in XRP USD. This is the Bitfinex chart. You can see that it's likely that if we get above, slightly above 24 cents, I would say 24.10, you can see there's a nice liquidity gap right there. Hold on one second. Let me just get this zoomed out a little bit. So we can see right here, it's going to kind of get a lot narrower as far as the liquidity goes. And there's a good chance we're going to rally. I think XRP could easily rally up to, well, if it gets above 25 cents, basically what I'm looking at is, I'm just looking for it to break this level somewhere just like this. If we can get above previous high, roughly at 24.5, it's likely that it continues up, and this could actually be possibly even looked at as an inverse head and shoulders. Some traders may treat this as. So that being the case, it's likely that it's a measured move upon breakout and confirmation of candle close on an hourly or even 4 hour. We're looking at 31 cents, even 32 cents. Now EOS the other day went from about a little like low $3 range up to nearly $4 right now. It might have even wicked up to $4 today. So what I'm looking at in XRP is I'm also long in XRP. I'm looking to target up here. You can see all that liquidity right up here. Chances are if it hits up this high, it's probably going to come down somewhat. Now, I don't know, with the XRP army and the huge FOMO community behind the coin, so if it starts to rally, if that coin just from, past performance of the coin and what I've observed, when that coin gets up about 10% or higher, that thing can go easily 20%. Last year, I think it was last year, about a year and a half actually, the coin did this right over here. Let me go to the daily and let's go look into that. So this day, I remember this day quite vividly. Actually, it was probably almost a while ago. Let me see. This candle over here, this massive candle, this day right here, we went from basically the same range we're at right now, price range, 22 cents, 23 cents, up to 79, 80 cents in like one day. It's a 1 day candle. I'm not saying it's going to do that right now, but what I am saying is if we put this on the log, let's do a little TA and look at the log scale chart. Yeah, this looks like pretty good. All right, so currently the reason why we actually did not break up as of earlier, we hit some resistance right here. Whoa. So basically, yeah, we have even a formation like this. We probably play this off as a semi-falling wedge even. The measured move on that is going to take us to... Now, when I say measured move, what I mean is I'm a formations trader as far as like how the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. So there's a bunch. I'm not going to explain them all for everybody, but I trade formations a lot because to me, that's my trading style and it works. So based off a measured move, and that's what you can do with these formations is you can take the top and the bottom, Take a ley line and go ahead and just throw it from breakout point. It's 46 cents. A lot of liquidity there for sells and buys probably. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go all the way up to 46 cents, though it is likely if BTC rallies to 10,000, I do believe XRP could easily just start to rally itself, as I know this coin has yet to break out compared to all these other coins. Like if you look at EOS, let's look at EOS. See how that one looks. So EOS has had a far bigger rally. XRP has yet to rally. It's going to rally soon. And when it does, you don't want to miss that, because this coin can literally, if it breaks in the BTC value over on Binance right now, if it breaks 3,000 sats, this thing will fly. It's a weekly chart right here. You can see, I mean, there's pretty obvious resistance in BTC Satoshis, like over at 37, 36 area. That'd be a good point to take profit, as it probably will retrace there. It'll also probably retrace somewhat over here. Now, I'm not trading the BTC pair, as I said. I'm in the USD over on Bybit. If you want to trade on Bybit, you can go ahead and use a link in the description. I'll set one up. Probably about, yeah, if we get up about 3,046, easy. It's very likely that easily this will break out. Let's look at the altcoin market right now. It's a lot of these alts that haven't moved in a long time. They're really moving. Like Dash yesterday was up. For 2 days ago, I saw Dash up, just insane. It was up 44% or 47%. And I looked at the chart on Dash earlier. And let's look at this Dash USD on Finex. Check this out. This coin was literally $27 less than a month and a half ago. Let's see if they got it on Kraken. Yeah, so look at Dash. I mean, Dash is just going crazy. So $38, like high 30s. You can see where that went, straight up. What's causing this to move like this? You know, it's like, is this just the happening that's really going to cause everything to rally? Like, there's no really news coming out. Or is there hidden news that we don't know about? Zcash up 21% today, so $62. XLM looking pretty good. Matic. Let's see XLM real quick. Let's see what volume we got over there. Yeah, Matic is so low in value right now. I remember when this coin used to trade around XRP's value. Now it's 6 cents. It could be a good buy. I don't hold alts though. I don't hold positions other than just leverage short-term trades. I don't long-term hold. And a lot of people wonder why. The reason I don't long-term hold is just for the simple fact that there's a lot of risk involved in that. I mean, I can trade good enough to where I can make money and I know when to exit and enter. Holding, you kind of run the risk of just, you know, you're holding, you're waiting for it to go up. It's going to go down while it goes up. There's a lot more risk involved. ADA is going up. Man, this whole market's going up. Man, this is crazy. Currently on the XBT or BTC chart, I'll show you what I'm seeing. So right now, I'm just looking for a breakout, and I do expect we're going to break out very, very soon, possibly during this video. I just want to see us get above the previous high at about 8,913 roughly. If we get up there, I'd be targeting a move way over to 9,023 at least, but I do think at the second time we get to 9,000, it's likely that we actually continue to rally even higher. I'm not going to make this video much longer. I'm going to wrap it up pretty soon, but I just wanted to share that, guys, with you. And I'll probably go live and do some live trading in a little bit, so stay tuned for that.